So in this question from GATE 2010 electronics branch, this is a linked answer question. So a common emitter amplifier is shown. So this is a common emitter amplifier. This is 93K resistance. This is 250 ohm resistance. This capacitor is 4.7 microfarad. This is load resistor 1 kilo ohm. This capacitor C1 is given as infinite. This resistance is 1 kilo ohm, and this is the source voltage. This is the source resistance is 1 kilo ohm. So first we have to find the resistance seen by source Vs, and second we have to find the lower cutoff frequency due to capacitor C2, and we are given that R pi is equal to 259 ohm. So for this transistor we can draw the hybrid pi model. So if we draw the model, then it will be like this. So this will be resistor R pi, so this is the resistor R pi, and this is current GM V pi. And for the resistance seen by source Vs, we have to do the AC analysis. So we have to ground this DC supply. So this DC supply is grounded. So if we ground this DC supply, now 250 ohm is connected between capacitor and ground. So we can connect it between capacitor and ground. So this is 250 ohm. Because this is a capacitor terminal, so this 250 ohm is between capacitor and ground. Now this 1 kilo ohm is also between capacitor and ground through 4.7 microfarad capacitance. So this will be capacitance 4.7 microfarad, and then this 1 kilo ohm. Because this is the collector junction. So this 250 ohm is connected between collector and ground. So I have connected 250 ohm between collector and ground. Then this 1 kilo ohm is connected between collector and ground through 4.7 microfarad capacitor. So I have connected 1 kilo ohm resistor through 4.7 microfarad capacitor. This capacitance is infinite, so for AC analysis it will be replaced by a short circuit. So we can replace it by a short circuit. So then this 93K, this is base terminal. So this 93K is connected between base and ground. So this is base terminal and this is emitter. So 93K is connected between base and ground. So this resistance is 93K. Then between base and ground, the 1 kilo ohm resistor and voltage source Vs is connected. So this is 1 kilo ohm resistor and this is voltage source Vs. So this is the complete model for this circuit. This was the model just for the transistor, and this is the complete model. So the resistance seen by the voltage source Vs is Rs is equal to 1K plus 93K in parallel with R pi, and value of R pi is given as 259 ohm. So 93K in parallel with 259 ohm. So this will be equal to 1258 ohm. So Rs will be equal to 1258 ohms. Now we have to find the lower cutoff frequency due to capacitor C2. So the lower cutoff frequency due to capacitor C2 is given by, so we have already found out it to be 1258 ohms. 1258 ohms. The lower cutoff frequency due to capacitor C2 is FL is equal to 1 upon 2 pi. And this RC and RL, For the lower cutoff frequency due to capacitor C2, this 250 ohm and 1 kilo ohm resistor are connected. So RC plus RL. So RC plus RL into C2. So this will be equal to 1 upon 2 pi into RC is 250 and RL is 1000. So it will be 1250 and C2 is 4.7 microfarad. So 4.7 into 10 to the power minus 6. So if you solve it, you will get answer as 27.1 Hertz. So FL will be equal to 27.1 Hertz. So this was the question. We can easily solve it using the model of the transistor. So please like and share the video, and if you have any doubt you can comment in the comment box. Also if you want to share your feedback, then you can comment in the comment box. Thank you and best of luck.